So the truck behind me is called the Indy Killer. Took me a second to realize why, but after walking around this thing, I realized why for sure. Underneath the hood, we have a nice set of slosh tubs, and we have this huge 496 underneath this thing that is painted and has the graphics. As you see, we go down the side of this truck, you're gonna see more of these graphics. Under here is so beautiful. I mean, look underneath. Look how, that's better than any paint job I got on any truck. As you come down the side, it's got that two-tone like the old Indianapolis trucks. I don't know if this was originally an Indianapolis truck or not, but even if it wasn't, he's paying homage to it, and this is a dope way to bring it into 2025. I mean, look at this underneath here. Not only are these wheels beautiful, but look at the calipers. They got the graphics on them. They have the name of the truck in there. So inside the fender wells and everything, as we go along this truck, you're gonna see these graphics again everywhere. They didn't cut no corners at all. As you come around the door, you see them in the door. You see them in the A-pillar door jambs. Look, even the brackets. You come around to the B-pillar, they're all in the B-pillar, and then they come all the way down the side of the truck. But also the interior of this truck. So this is the type interior I've been talking about for my truck, where it's modern, but it still looks like a square dash interior. All of these upgrades in here are so tasteful and still look like a square dash OBS. Even these upgrades are beautiful. The gauges are beautiful. The steering wheel, I mean, the mats got a little bit of billet down here. Oh, even the arms are chromed out. I mean, the attention to detail in this truck is so amazing. Yeah, so you got a set of LG billet door handles in here. I love how they put in the little buttons for the windows and everything. This door panel is one of the cleanest door panels I've seen in a square dash in a long time. You've seen the front wheel, it's a 22. Back here, he stepped it up a little bit with a 24 with a nice lip in here. Again, all the attention to detail in this thing is beautiful. I'm looking past this wheel right now and I'm seeing graphics. Like, it's crazy. We get around to the back, they took a stock bumper, smoothed it, chopped it, tucked it, all the goodness that you need, and it come out beautiful, man. They even mimicked the plastic, made the roll in it just like it would look from the factory, but it's all out of metal. Kept the tailgate handle. Then we get inside the bed. All the bed has been done. We got speakers in the bed. I see reflections of lights underneath. Dude, this is a clean truck. Y'all know I'm a guy that loves trucks laid out. I wouldn't lay this truck out. It looks beautiful like it is. This is a super clean OBS. This is the reason why we come to Altered Metal right here. The quality of trucks is insane.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
So we found one clean square body dually. This thing is laid low. This is another one of those trucks that we found with no chrome that I just love. Most of these trucks are built to have chrome on them. They deleted it, painted all gray to match everything else. The two-tone is amazing. It's got that old school two-tone on it. I like that the mirrors are even painted the same color. We've got suicide doors in the back. Still has the drip rails, again, painted to match everything else. So the interior's got some of the old billet in it. Looks like old school billet too. That's just something you did back then and we're still doing today. One of the things that's super unique about this is they kept all the trim, right? All the trim is still on this truck. But the trim isn't on this truck. That's not the factory trim. That's airbrush. Me being an airbrush artist, or trying to be an airbrush artist, I've always wanted to be able to pull this off, and I can't. Whoever did this pulled this off great. All the way down this huge, long truck, super straight, all airbrushed. It's still ready for towing, obviously. That is the thing. A lot of people think that you bag a big truck like this, you make it useless. Nah, you can still work them with bag. I like it.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for the sun. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
That was good.
Just try to kill us.
Yeah. So we're in a super secret location out in Rayne, Louisiana. Louisiana.
Why here in Rayne, Louisiana?
So we are in a super secret location that our good friend Tony from Eclectic Art took us out to. He's out here shooting the beautiful Nissan hardbody known as Flashback. It's like he has to pose to take a picture. Oh my goodness. Give us the history on Flashback, man.
It's a 95 Nissan hardbody. I'm the only owner of the truck.
Bought it new. When did you start actually like building on it?
Man, 2 weeks after I got the thing.
Oh, so it's been through multiple stages then.
Oh, it's had a life. It's grown with me. Truck got hit in 2001, I want to say. Started building it in 2002.
Ah, okay. So
That was
after the
when-
wreck,
Yeah.
figure it's wrecked, you got to fix it, might as well fix it right. Huh?
Right, yeah. That was when I started on the dream list of what I wanted to do. I mean, pretty much daily driven and on the road all the time up until the target top.
Ah, okay.
And once the roof got cut, that pretty much.
Yeah. They're so
it
sweet
sealed
with
the deal.
target tops, though. It's something you don't see anymore. You can't, but used to, you could buy these kits from Radical Kits.
That's probably the last one.
Oh, that's a Radical Kit.
That is a Radical Tops
wow,
kit. It's
wow.
probably the last one that they produced.
What's with the hood, man?
It's a diamond tilt.
Yes.
So Matt McClary, which used to be House of Hack. He was my fab guy. The guy's, man, a metal.
I remember House of Hack, man.
Metal genius artist. He's really good with metal work.
So it opens this
yeah.
way? Very nice.
So yeah, he made the one-off hinge.
And look, I know you guys see graphics all over this truck on the outside, but I want y'all to pay attention to this too. Like even the top of the core support's done with the same detail and textures that you have on the outside are all up underneath the hood. Everywhere you can look, there's custom paint, man. I love that hood. It's one of the things that always drew me to this truck is the hood. And then, like I told you earlier, every time I look at this truck, I find something different that I didn't notice the last time, man. It's pretty cool.
Going back to what Matt did on the truck, he actually used the Nissan, the factory Nissan hardbody stock hinge.
Oh, okay, for the Suicide?
Uh,
Because usually it's a big bear claw hinge that's way bigger than this, and this is all bigger. This has the factory hump in it and everything. That's pretty crazy to see the Striker up front factory.
Yeah,
That's pretty dope. It's little stuff like that, man, that sets some of these trucks apart. And then I definitely like the plexi in the back where you can see everything, man.
So
that just goes to show.
Matt did all the suspension as well.
This is something else that I like too, is the graphics are going from paint to bed liner, back to paint to tint, and then into paint.
That's actually etched on the glass and the cut tint.
Man, it's definitely one of the sickest hard bodies in our scene, man. And it's mini truck and cover truck, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
September 24 mini truck and cover truck.
Well, man, James, I really appreciate it. James from it's Hybrid Images, right?
Yes, Hybrid Image
sir,
Studio.
Man, I appreciate it, man. Beautiful truck, man. Thanks for giving us some time to really put this thing out here away from the show and get the history of it, man. I love it, man. Also, if you guys know the truck, it's a full-size truck. It's called, the name of it is Codeine. It is a purple candy truck that has amazing graphics on it. This is the man that did the graphics. So if you guys are looking for an airbrush artist, this is your man.
HybridImageStudio.com.
So at Altered Metal, they have drive-through judging. We've never took you guys through the judging process. So I'm gonna ride with Garen while we go get Project Redemption judged. And I'm gonna try to talk to one of these judges and see exactly what it is that they're looking for. So let's roll through this, roll through, drive up, drive through, whatever it is judging, and see what this thing is gonna be, and see what this is gonna, and see what this is all about.
That took a lot of effort.
It did, it did.
That took a lot of effort. I'm so proud of you. I was judging you.
Back in the day, especially when they had classes, we would sit next to our trucks all day waiting on a judge to come by because you had to open your truck up. With these drive-up judgings, you come, the judge is waiting for you, you're here, it's a one-on-one with the judge. You can let them know all the little things, all the nooks and crannies. Like if you got graphics and you got them back here, you can tell them, oh, look, look the graphics back here and things like that. You get a judging sheet. It's a point system, I think. You got your condition, your quality, body, interior, trunk, if you have one, audio, wheels, just your normal places where you're going to look at a truck anyway at a car show. So he goes through, they have a circle where it's like almost like 0 to 10, and then he just was looking through it. But what are you actually looking for? Like when you're looking at the wheels, are you looking at the size, how clean they are, or?
Not necessarily looking at the size, looking cleanliness, make sure there's no curb rash, make sure, everything, nothing's chipped up. It basically overall quality is what we're looking for. As far as paintwork goes, it don't have to have graphics. It don't have to have, no crazy this or that. If your body works straight, if your paint's laid down slick, stuff like that. It's it's a show. You're coming out, show you a nice vehicle off.
Yeah, so biggest thing, like he's saying, is anything you're gonna do to it, whether it be paint, whether it be a set of wheels, whether it be full fabrication, make sure it's done and done clean. Another thing is, especially us guys that drive them, before you come to the show, hit the car wash, man. Get underneath there, spray this thing down, because they're looking for that dirt too. If your truck's dirty, why you got it at the show? You could have just had it in the parking lot. All right, so this trend here is a little controversy in the OBS community. You either lay them out on big lip billets or you build 90s builds. This is a true 90s build. You got the fiberglass kit, lip kit all the way around with the side steps. You got the cowl hood, painted vent visors, painted to match. That's crucial. Billet all over the place. Billet 17 by 10s. Sticking out. You got the fiberglass bed cover with the little lip. The Vet ZR kit on the rear. The only thing this thing is missing is the little fiberglass visors that went over the front and the back, which to me would look tacky on this truck. But this is a true 90s OBS. You just can't get any more 90s than this. This is the trucks when I was young that were riding around. because this is what you could afford. This was the newest of the new, the best of the best. And it's dope that people are still building these. And it's a big thing coming out of Houston. We've noticed a couple guys from Houston that are pushing these out of their shops and building these style trucks. And they're just flying out of there. It's just like a revolving door. So it's cool to see this coming back.